So it's been about 20 minutes, and I don't know where the rat's gone. This one looks like he's in a good mood though, so might quote it. And I say rat really loosely because it wasn't that big. It's just a mouse. It's just like something about rodents, fucking live creatures. Not a fan. No. Oh, okay. I guess not. I guess he's still. Yeah. Okay. You guys can't see what I'm seeing, but yeah, it's still under there. You know, it only takes a certain amount of time for you to like get numb to it. I wanna see that thing. Oh, okay. Just catch the fucking mouse already. You're a disappointment. Nah, I'm kidding. Come here. What the hell? Why are you contorting like that? Honest as shit, man. No matter how many rats you kill, I will still love you. Yeah, that's my handsome little boy. And my exterminator. Free of charge. So you know what, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave this camera here while I go get water. Okay. I've committed the cardinal sin of drinking water in a mug because there are no glasses and I don't want to go into the dishwasher because I'm just lazy like that. And I think it's under there. That's quite interesting. You know, it's much less scary when you only know. I don't know if you can see it, but it's moving around under there. And he strikes. Alright. That's pretty cool. Funds on 6%. I think we can manage. Okay. I'm being real, I can't be bothered to pause this. You're gonna have to watch through all of this if you want to see him finally catch the rat. If he even does anyway. It's gonna be about 2 minutes of me with the camera over here, and you're just gonna have to stare at it if you really do not mind. Don't care though. You're doing a good job. Keep going. Come on, lad. Yeah, do you see that? That's the rat. That's pretty cool. You're doing a good job. Keep going. Yeah, nice. This guy read it. Oh, fucking hell. Why did I say that? Okay, pretend I didn't say that. Yeah, very nice. Good job, baby. Nice. It smells like shit in here, by the way. I can't tell if... Oh. Can't tell if that was his tail or if that was a limp rat corpse. Oh, it's like down there somewhere. Just heard a noise. This thing's interesting. I'm gonna watch from a distance because I don't wanna... You know, I'm still kind of uncomfortable with the rat. So... This video's gotta be like 10 minutes. Maybe there's that off chance. I'm not sure. What am I even gonna call this video anyway? Puff scary extended cut. I don't fucking know. I just usually name my videos on the spot. There's no prior planning. Literally no nothing. No prior planning. I need to pick up this mug. Look at this one. He goes outside like every day. So he's really athletic. He's got that athletic build. I would give a close up if he wasn't, you know, doing his thing right now. But he's very muscular. He's got a lot of muscle. Actually, I can take a close up now. Hi, baby. You can see you can definitely see the muscle on him. Yeah, right there. I mean, that's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna like stay silent like I have been for most of this video, and then like might say stuff occasionally. Who's actually watched up until this point? I'm gonna pull like a average child content YouTuber moment, and I'm gonna say if you've watched up until this point, comment big buff. Comment big buff if you've watched up until this point. And I will heart your comment. Because quite frankly, that is... Oh, okay. Because you know what... You know, what you're doing is very, very greatly appreciated. And I respect you. I think when this video hits the 10-minute mark, I'm going to have to end it. Because I don't... Oh, you didn't get anything. Tragic. My mom's also might come down. I heard the water running upstairs, so if it's I'm fucked. I am fucked. What am I gonna say? What's my excuse gonna be? Oh yeah, he's bulking right now. I mean, I have no idea if he's really gonna catch that rat. I'm hoping tomorrow morning I just wake up and the rat's lying down right there, and I get to pick it up and I get to throw it over the fence in the garden. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's 1 a.m. right now. Please don't blame me for acting weird at all. Okay. I guess that is the end of this video. this very, very long video. Way too long video. Probably the longest video. Okay, bye.